Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to distort audio in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll need to select the audio you want to distort. You can do this by clicking and dragging over a specific portion of your audio track, or if you want to apply the effect to the entire track, simply double-click on the audio waveform. This will highlight the entire track, making it ready for editing. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effect. This menu is where all of Audacity's audio modification tools are housed, giving you access to a wide range of sound processing options. Once you click on Effect, a drop-down menu will appear with various categories and options. Next, hover your mouse over Distortion and Modulation. This is a submenu that contains several different types of audio effects designed to alter the character and tone of your sound. From this submenu, click on Distortion. This will open up the distortion effect window where you can customize how aggressive or subtle you want the distortion to sound. Inside the distortion window, look for the option labeled Clipping Level. This is the main parameter that controls how much distortion is applied to your audio. You can either manually enter a number in the field or use the slider next to it to adjust the value. For example, you might enter -10 dB to start with, which will give you a moderate amount of distortion. The lower the number, the more aggressive the distortion will be, while higher numbers will produce a softer, more subtle effect. Adjust this based on what sound you're trying to achieve. Before committing to the effect, click the Preview button. This lets you hear a short sample of what your audio will sound like with the current settings applied. It's a crucial step because it helps you fine-tune the effect without permanently altering your track. Listen carefully to how the distortion affects your audio. If you find that the distortion sounds too harsh or aggressive, you can raise the clipping level toward -3 dB to soften it. Alternatively, you can reduce the drive parameter, which controls the intensity of the distortion effect. Feel free to experiment with these settings until you find the perfect balance that matches your creative vision. You can keep clicking Preview as you make adjustments to hear the changes in real time. Once you're satisfied with how the distorted audio sounds, click Apply. This will permanently process your audio with the distortion effect, transforming your original recording into the new distorted version you've crafted. And just like that, you've successfully distorted your audio in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.